Are you a realtor struggling to make your listings stand out? Picture this: a beautifully clean home that instantly attracts buyers and closes deals faster. Welcome to TidyTex Home Cleaning, a veteran-owned service in San Antonio, dedicated to transforming your properties into a clean canvas that buyers can envision as their new home. Our reliable, professional team specializes in preparing homes for sale, ensuring every corner sparkles. We understand that first impressions matter, and with our quick turnaround times, we're here to help you shine before those important open houses and buyer visits. Want a quick tidy tip? For little to no cost, enhance your home's appeal by opening all the blinds and turning on lights before a showing. A well-lit space feels inviting and showcases the home's best features, making potential buyers feel right at home. Don't let a dirty space stand in the way of a sale. Let TidyTex elevate your listings and help you close those deals. Check the video description for more details, including our website, phone number, and email. Contact us today to start making your properties irresistible.